Hey beauty, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking all about light blue outfits. And seriously, nothing says cruise vacation vibes like light blue. When I think about the perfect travel outfits for a cruise or a beach vacation, light blue is always the first color that comes to mind. It's fresh, it's soft, it's peaceful. It literally feels like wearing the ocean and the sky. In this video, I'm showing you some beautiful light blue outfit ideas styled by virtual stylists, and I'll also be sharing some of my favorite Amazon fashion finds to help you create that perfect coastal vacation look. Whether you're getting ready for a cruise trip, a beach getaway, or just dreaming about your next travel adventure, light blue is the color you need in your suitcase. It's perfect for resort wear, cruise outfits, or even just bringing a little bit of that seaside vibe into your everyday wardrobe. One thing I love about light blue fashion is how easy it is to style. It looks amazing with white, beige, denim, and even soft pastel colors. If you're putting together your travel wardrobe, definitely think about packing a few light blue pieces. And if you're shopping for new pieces, Amazon has so many gorgeous light blue clothes and travel accessories right now. I found some stunning light blue dresses, handbags, and shirts, all super affordable and perfect for your next trip. And yes, everything from Amazon I show today will be linked below in case you want to grab it for yourself. Light blue also photographs so beautifully in natural light, which is perfect if you're planning to take cruise photos, beach photos, or just a few cute selfies while traveling. So today's video is all about inspiring you to add more light blue to your travel outfits, your cruise wardrobe, or even just your everyday style. If you're planning a cruise soon, or any vacation at all, definitely think about adding a few light blue pieces to your packing list. They're timeless, fresh, and they'll make you feel beautiful and relaxed no matter where you're headed. All the Amazon links will be down below if you want to check anything out. And if you love light blue vibes and travel fashion as much as I do, don't forget to like the video, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.